This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 6, and to my surprise it was launched recently with not that much fanfare, but I really do like this band a lot. So in today's video, let me share my experience with you after using this thing for about 2 weeks or so. Now, firstly, I do know that Xiaomi has changed the name from Mi Band to Mi Smart Band, but I think I will only try to call it Mi Smart Band because it's an old habit. Since I started calling it Mi Band many years ago, it's kind of difficult to change, but that's just habit. So, the Mi Smart Band 6 here is pretty much an iterative upgrade from the Mi Smart Band 5. It has a 1.56-inch AMOLED display up top here, which I think is still a very bright and beautiful display, and the colors here are very vivid, and with its 152 and 486 pixels in resolution, you can have some very sharp text and images displayed on this watch right here. In terms of overall design, it's not that much different from the first generation of Mi Band because its shape is still the same. It's just that we have a full color display, a bright and beautiful one at the front here. The back is still the same. You have two magnetic pogo pins for charging right here. And since the Mi Band 5, I do realize that they've changed the charging cable to this kind of magnetic puck thing. It can only snap in one direction, which is pretty standard for this kind of fitness bands. While on that subject, we also need to talk about the battery life of the Mi Band 6 as well. Now, on Xiaomi's website, they claim that this Mi Band 6 here can last for about 14 days, but throughout my usage, I can only get about 4 to 5 working days of battery under extreme use case because during work days, I do get literal hundreds of notifications per day, but on weekends, I get much less notifications, which I think the battery life should match up to that 14 days battery life. But I do realize that if you are ever going to change the strap position, let's just say you like the buckle on the other side of your arm. So you can actually take it apart, flip it around because this thing is fully symmetrical, put it back in, and the magnetic puck will still work on either directions because you have this kind of little slot here for the magnetic puck to go in, which is a nice feature or quality of life to have. But of course, if you don't like the included strap here, you can head into sites like Shopee or Lazada and find many other different replacement straps which have much nicer color, different materials, or even just a different buckle altogether. I mean, the Mi Band here has a lot of accessories going for it. And of course, we need to talk about the features available on the Mi Band 6 as well. Now, upon first start up, it will tell you to pair with your smartphone, which I found out that there are actually two apps that support the Mi Band 6. It's either the old Mi Fit app back from the first generation of Mi Bands up until now, it still supports the Mi Band 6, or you can use the brand new Xiaomi Wear app as well. Of course, I chose the Xiaomi Wear app because of its new interface and also it just looks a lot better. Now, the Xiaomi Wear app is technically just a very simple dashboard that tells you all of the stats for the day, but you can also tap into every single individual item to check its statistics that has been logged by the Mi Band 6. But you can also customize the Mi Band 6 watch face here. And while I'm happy there are a lot of watch faces for you to choose from in this app alone, I'm ultimately not really that happy because you don't have a search functionality, which, like you can see here, they have a lot of different watch faces, and finding that particular one that you want is kind of frustrating, I would say. But at the bottom of this list here, there's one special set of watch faces that lets you customize however you want and also put whatever image that you want as your watch face. And of course, there's also a workout tab in the Xiaomi Wear app as well, so you can just start your workout from your phone and then everything will be logged by the Mi Band 6. And that's it. That's all we have to share with you about the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. This is a pretty simple device overall, but it does do what it's supposed to do very well, like telling you the time, ringing you if there's any sort of notifications that are coming to your phone, and it also just looks very nice with its bright and beautiful display right here. For the official price of 189 ringgit, I'm not too sure if you can find the stock right now because on the official stores it just told me sold out. But you can find it for about 165-ish ringgit on Shopee or Lazada. And I would say its price is really good. So yeah, buy this if you are looking for those kind of use cases. And that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And we'll see you guys in the next video.